The term of an expression. The term of an expression are nothing but the parts of an expression which are formed separately and then they are added are known as the terms of an expression. The terms are nothing but they are the parts of expression which are combined to form an expression are called as terms of that expression. For example, if we are having expression like 4x square minus 3xy, in this expression the terms are nothing but 4x square is the one term and minus 3xy is the another term. For example, if we are having the numerical expression 4, in this one the terms are nothing but 4 only. If we are having the expression like 4 by x, it is having only one term, that is 4 by x. In the expression 4 plus x minus y, we have three terms. They are 4 comma x comma minus y. We should use the symbols plus and minus with terms only. Okay, to separate the terms of an expression we use the symbols like plus and minus only. We do not use into and divided by to separate the terms of an expression. And then the factors of a term. The factors for a term we are discussing. If we are taking the expression 4x square minus 3xy, in this one we have two terms. They are first one 4x square and minus 3xy. For the first term 4x square, the factors are nothing but we can write the 4x square as 4 into x. Here the number 4 and the variables x and x, these three are factors for this term 4x square. Likewise for minus 3xy, the factors are nothing but minus 3x and y are factors for this term minus 3xy. This is about the factors of an expression. If we are having an expression like this 4x, the factors for this 4x are nothing but 4 comma x. The 4 is one factor and x is also one factor for this 4x. Next, coefficient of a term. The coefficient of a term is nothing but it is the value of constant in the term. The constant value in the term is called as the coefficient. It is nothing but constant. For example, if the expression is minus 3xy, in this term, the numerical value or the constant is nothing but minus 3. Therefore, here minus 3 is the coefficient of minus 3xy. Likewise, in the term 4x square, the value 4 is called as the coefficient of 4x square. For example, if we are having minus x square y square, it is a term. In this one, the coefficient value is nothing but minus 1.